Asuntosköyhtiö Helsingin terälehti.
Yeah, today's it's 4th of May, 2022. Yeah, Malmin Kauppatie mounts on this way. Two big stakes you see here. In Malmi, close to Pukimaki box factory here, Helsinki sports solution, in Finland. But we also need to get to the stakes assembly here. It's built by Otis and those 1,000 fixtures, and Otis GeN2 elevator. Also the building next to this one, building 4, all 6 stickers have been filmed. They were also Otis GeN2 from late 2000 and early 2001, and this was built in also in late 2000. The Silver SV1 2912. It's even older, so these are even earlier.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. It's 20 years old in 2020.
Yeah.
It's like autumn 2000.
Yeah, it's a bit bad condition because it's maintained by generic. Device maintained by Spanish.
You can press and that's the for one button screen. But it also takes a little while for it to load up as the door.
Yeah.
Should have been a bit faster. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we get to stay the same.
That's